Generally speaking, I'm going to ask a homeowner not to dig too far into your water heater, only because any of those types of water heaters can hurt somebody or do some really bad things. On an electric tank style water heater, they do have reset buttons. Feel free to push a reset button. It's very similar to the one under your garbage disposal or the one on your GFI plug that's probably in your bathroom. Beyond that, there's not really many user serviceable parts inside, so I wouldn't recommend taking the cover off because there's live 240 voltage in there and we don't want anybody to get hurt. On a gas tank style heater, relighting the pilot, if it happens to go out, is super easy. There's instructions right on the bottom, just above the burner door on every single water heater made in the country. Follow those steps. The pilot stays on, you're golden. If the pilot doesn't stay on, now you're going to have to start removing stuff. You should leave that to the plumber because you're going to start disconnecting gas lines. Anytime you disconnect a gas line, you want to make sure it's not going to leak when you put it back together. On your tankless water heaters, because they have computers in them, doing hard resets on them, something that homeowners can do fairly easily. Even ones that will get error codes for nuisance problems. Sometimes if it's really cold outside, it may say that the vent isn't working very well just because it's really cold outside and the hot air isn't moving as fast. So hard resets on those or clearing error codes on those, homeowners are more than welcome to try that. They're a little different for each machine, but these days you can find how to either do a hard reset or clear an error code on any machine with a 2-minute Google search. You put in which manufacturer you have, which model you have, and they're all a little different. Some of them are just simply the old IT staple of, did you unplug it and wait 30 seconds and plug it back in? Some of them are a little more involved than that. But anything that's going to require anything deeper getting into that machine, because it does have gas and water and electricity and a computer in it, I would leave that for a plumber.
ABC Home and Commercial Services.